let's have this problem. Input a 3-digit number and print the place value for each digit. Example, if we input 345, the output would be 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. There are actually multiple ways of solving this problem, but what we are going to use is the one with a pattern in the sequence of operations. Because when you spot a pattern, that would be very helpful because you can get used to thinking for solutions of iterative type of problems, the ones with loops. More on that later on. One way to extract the digits one at a time is to start from the ones place and then move on to the left to the hundreds place. In order to extract the ones place, one simple method is to use modulo 10. What this means is we are extracting the remainder. If we divide a number by 10, let's say 345, if you use modulo 10 on 345, you get 5 because 345 divided by 10 is 34, remainder 5. So let's make a statement for that. So let's store the remainder to a variable called ones because it is the digit in ones place. So that is ones equal num modulo 10. So now we are able to extract 5 and store it to ones variable. Our next goal is to extract 4. But our problem is we need it to be the end digit so we can extract it using the same approach, modulo 10. To do this, let's divide 345 by 10 so we can get 34.5 and then save the resulting value to a variable that is in integer data type, so 0.5 gets omitted. Best way to do this is divide the current value of num by 10 and then assign the result back to num, replacing 345 with 34, which is the result of 345 divided by 10, with 0.5 omitted. Again, this is because num variable cannot store decimal value because it is in int data type. Now, we use the same approach again. Extract 4 using modulo, and then store 4 in another variable called tens, and then divide 34 again with 10 to obtain 3. And since it's the last digit, we don't need to perform modulo anymore. And then, what's left to do is to print the values of ones, tens, and hundreds variables. There you go. Just to show that there's another approach to do this, here's another version of the source code.